Fine. Let's go to high pass filter. First step, let's get started with again a simple RC circuit without op amps. It's easy to see that here. Notice V naught is take V in divided between this R and C. Okay, so we have R by R plus 1 by J omega C. So your V naught by Vi is J omega RC by 1 plus J omega RC. Notice you can quickly say what is the cutoff frequency, what is omega C. The cutoff frequency is going to be 1 over RC. Okay, that is going to be 1 over tau. Okay, by kind of matching it with the standard form, that is S tau by 1 plus S tau, or in frequency this is known as J omega by omega C. This is a standard form by 1 plus J omega by omega C. The static gain right now is a constant. Okay, we have, if there is a K in this particular case, K is 1. So this is passive, not good. Okay, one is interference between input side, output side. Second is inability to generate gain less than 1 here. Gain is always less than 1. Here gain can be greater than 1. Okay, this is active.